A pleasant day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, so today I want to talk about this small little issue that I saw on my platform. Alright, I keep a hooked up program most of the night, not all the while. Alright, so I noticed there's a pattern. Jamaican man, I'm going to talk to you this morning. Why, whenever I'm seeking somebody, it have to be somebody overseas. Nothing wrong with that, no. You seeking somebody overseas, nothing no wrong with that. Everybody wants somebody from foreign, I guess so. You understand? But the problem is, why you not have to disrespect the Jamaican woman them? When I ask the question, why you choose a woman overseas, or tired of Jamaican woman are wicked, Jamaican woman are this. But what I'm saying to you guys, did you know that they said Jamaican woman wanna a distance yourself from? And them said one get visa or go on a work program and end up America or Canada. Did you know that? Did you know that most of these females who call in on this show, them did live at Jamaica and then left and migrate and live at America or Canada or England, so be it. Only need to look at this. Cause if a woman left from Canada and Jamaica or America and say she live at Jamaica, she got automatically live back at Jamaica. So what? You not going to want to show she at Jamaica? Eh? Only look at the narrative, the man. Just so you want a good woman and want a woman overseas. But do not bash the Jamaican woman them. Because a lot of women run down foreign woman. I want to know over there when you realize it's not a bed of rose. But anyway, guys, I'm going to listen to them two callers. I'm going to get a perfect example of my talk. Put a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Is it bad in itself for people a distance themselves from Jamaican woman? I know a lot of Jamaican foreign woman them overseas distant themselves from Jamaican man. Boy, Janko said the world on level. I could listen to this. Hey guys, the number to call 277-3254. I need some single guys tonight. I have too much single woman over here. Woman them enough, woman them enough, woman them enough. Let me pack up all of them woman in the living room here. Space can't hold. Woman them limited. Limited. So I need some man caller tonight, ASAP. Alright, let me get in on my phone call. Let me did just get a while ago. Let me see who this now in the night. Okay, the person I did a call me, I'm call him back. Alright, so this is our first male caller. Look see what I go on. Yeah, my boss. Where are you going with?
Hey, I was not saying I'm not keeping on the program still there, but you tell me something to give a knock, huh?
Yeah, man. Where did say you want one of them? Where did call me and tell me today? Say you want one of the girl in for?
Yeah, man, yeah, so I'm doing some on my photo, and I'm mind my
photo. What you say about the girl in? You want one of the girl in for what? Where did it say? For... Where you want one girl for do?
One girl from America, I'm just stick along with.
You want a...
I look a relationship right now, but...
You want a girl from America? Well, now, calm down, man. Just relax. Just work with me. You want a girl from America where you can relax with?
Yeah, well, you can call my one.
Oh, you can call your own. You don't want to share no man. And then something, you want somebody for your own.
I'm a serious relationship.
Okay. So which way you live now? Which way you there now?
Yeah, down here, Portland Cottage.
Here, Portland Cottage. So you ever travel? You ever travel?
Yeah, I'm traveling to British Virgin Island.
Oh, you go US Virgin Island?
British.
Oh, British Virgin Island.
Oh, talking.
Oh, so how much?
I'm 38 years old right now.
38?
Just
you're a young boy, man. I'm not a 38-year-old man over here, man.
Oh, the age.
So what age you man you look?
Well, I'm going to the age is
so what may I say? What you have to bring to the table?
Well, everything is about money.
Your work?
No, not at this moment.
So you not work, you know. Hold on. So you not work, you know, and you want woman overseas. How that gonna work? Tell me.
I mean, money, I don't know problem, man. We can't ask for help, man. My mother and father can't help me.
Your mother and your father can help you?
Because them father, I just feel the opportunity to work money to put on my side, huh? Things kind of brown for me from out there. I'm gonna give up, you know?
Okay. So that's you want a woman overseas.
Yeah, man. Interested, man, because you're lucky by your program for one night, but you can't get a chance to forward in and say, hey, I even take since I born alive.
Eh? So
Yeah,
we can take one Jamaican woman and try with her.
I'm afraid I just don't want to know because you know, nobody boss me, man.
Oh God. You make me sit down in a chair and can't move. Ban say, you don't want a Jamaican woman, because you don't want nobody boss in head. Eh?
Then,
Okay. Alright, so you did send me a picture?
yeah, man, when you send a picture, man, for WhatsApp, I'm send me WhatsApp number in the chat.
Oh, I see. I show you. You want to show your picture to your ladies, them, yeah?
Yeah, man, I'm awesome. I'm more to blast, man.
Yeah, I boss you.
To blast.
Yeah.
So anybody, I'm saying two number, one calling number, one WhatsApp number.
Okay. Are you full of so much ring, so you guard up?
Huh?
You guard up, or you have on so much ring?
I'm secret, man.
Oh, a fake ring. Okay, I have to check on
Yeah, man, I'm a fashion ring, man.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
yeah, man, respect for your program. I do a good thing, but I don't think I just
Boy, me cook go homeless. Me cook go homeless people. Me give a school bag. Me do look at charity, and nobody never say me I do a good job until me I give man and woman match. Me never hear them and something yet from my band. But
You
thanks,
serious?
yeah.
So what? So pity is important and them thing and a good thing.
Yeah, but they never say me I do a good job. Only now everybody I tell me, so me no know.
Oh, but I'm the program shot, man.
Yeah, long time you take in.
Huh?
Long time you take in.
I'm going to show you, man, a long time, man. I can't tell you everything, man. I say, man.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
followers, you know, man. I real follower, man.
Okay.
I'm so creative, I make me like everything, no matter what.
Yeah, man, I love that, man.
I know I see likes, them I go up and tell me, I say, no, man.
Oh, you send up the likes them. Okay, okay.
Yeah, man, I say, man.
So you said no Jamaican, straight overseas, the one your man to come from.
Yeah, man, anybody from like America side or Canada side was serious.
America or Canada side. So ladies, America or Canada side. We have a 37-year-old man over here. Not working right now, as I said, right?
Yeah, man,
In work at all, but he willing for work and I worry about money. Money is not nothing. He just want somebody to share in life with. And try. So if she come down here and marry there, you just go up with her.
I'm gonna say, man, but when I run down marriage and them things, but you don't know if that come to pass, then sure.
Okay.
You work with it.
You work with it. Okay. You get no youth?
You just want somebody who call me one, brother. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, just want someone. You get no youth?
I mean, some real touch of a woman.
Oh, a long time you not touch a woman.
Yeah, man, I always buy about 3 times for the year, I buy still, but.
Oh, you buy a little 3 times a year, but you want your own woman. Okay.
Then I can show you, man.
Oh,
you feel like say, yeah, the best. Because I see the same thing the old man, so the vibe not come look wild. But just take care of me, I said, Jesus. The man say from 4 o'clock, he got in bed. And 6 o'clock, he get up back there. I didn't mess up my bag, some bag, I tell you this, man.
Yeah.
Jano, so that's why I made a show with the man and I tell him say bless her back.
Yeah. Alright. Let's say alright, big up yourself, them about so if a woman texts you, we make you get the number, yeah?
Alright, I say a word, man. I 1-6 that, man.
1-6. Alright, up top.
Fun, big up.
Yeah. This and Jamaican number this started. I hold this now. Hello, good night.
That's great.
Me there, man. I hold this.
That's brown.
Huh?
Brown.
Brown?
Yeah.
From where?
Jamaica.
Yeah, so what you want?
If you assist the one you more that number, or you give me number, okay?
Well, you say talk now. You talk like you talk like you have hot food in your mouth. Talk to me good now, man. Where you say go on now?
I'm just feel away, so yes.
What feel away?
Okay, 51-year-old lady there.
How show woman that again? There's so many women I'm confused. What's your name?
I mean, them two member name and all stuff. More you pass the number to her, have her call me, I think.
You alright, sir?
Huh?
You alright?
Yeah, man.
Say your son,
You
sir.
hear me now?
Yeah, something wrong with them, man. What I'm telling you?
Okay, signal. You hear me now?
Me I hear you, man, but something wrong with you. You talk so like your belly hot here or something.
Oh, your throat feel away.
Oh, your throat feel away.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you can't talk enough on the phone, man.
Just celebrate our 51 birthday, man.
Me now pick up how you talk. You have to go watch what he
And
shot.
you start with in the red suit, man, and she said she just celebrate our 51-year-old birthday.
Which part she come from?
Yeah, them no nonsense lady there.
Which part?
Yeah,
Which part?
I just said to give them.
Which part the lady come from? Me don't know who you talk.
Overseas, man.
So you know one woman in Jamaica, me have a nice Jamaican lady, Christian lady. I look somebody be second.
Yeah, problem, man. Problem.
Jamaican woman a problem.
Yeah, man, problem.
So you rather woman a foreign.
Yeah.
Yeah, how much?
37.
Oh yeah, 37.
Because if anything will go bad, then no, so me do the wheelchair. I push her, go or come or anything.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Alright.
Yeah, no nonsense.
It's a
thing,
no
you
nonsense.
know?
Okay.
Yeah.
I said my find a number and make you get it. Alright. If I'm not tonight or tomorrow morning early. Alright? Yeah.
Bless her.
Hey, one thing with I show you, I know. I need to do a serious talk. You know, listen, the man they need to start bashing Jamaican woman. Did you guys know that they said woman they want to want overseas? At Jamaica then did live. And then left go overseas. Some of them go on work program and run off. Some of them get a little 1 entry. Some of them get a little link and then they're America. Only stop it about Jamaican woman this and Jamaican woman that. Stop it, man. Jesus God. Let me check your phone. Everybody else said they're afraid that where Jamaican woman, I can't sit here and say Jamaican woman are the worst. Jamaican woman do this, do that. No. Just talk straight to you want a woman overseas, man. Stop bring down the woman then. For real, for real. Alright, so in mouth you sound like problem too. Too aggressive in mouth. No, I don't know if there's something wrong with his throat, so I don't know, but every man when they call and want, you just put down on the Jamaican woman for firing woman. Eh? You don't need to stop it, man. Stop it. You don't need to stop it. Just say you want a woman overseas. What nobody bash it woman them in our country where you live. You understand? Because it said woman them where they are so at Jamaica. Only things in a black American or Canadian are straight people from them country I call the program here. All of us are people from over in all over in the diaspora have Jamaican heritage. You understand? So we stop bash them, man. If one of them women come off island and live America and want to live at Jamaica and now go back to foreign, you now go on them because we say Jamaica no man. But as long as they can fly in and come out and them something there, that is it, you know win. You understand? You have to stop it, man. Me check your phone now, guys. Guys, I'm not stay along with you tonight, alright? I have to get some rest. I have a long day tomorrow. Alright, so, alright. Alright. True, man. True.
Yeah, man, it's like, but, how I look at it though, boy, I don't understand these women here in America. I mean, I don't know what they do earlier in their lives, man, and then they reach a stage now where they can, no matter what in America, come like they don't want it no more. So, them get desperate now when I reach out to the Caribbean, to go find men and stuff like that. And them things are not going to work, brother. It don't make no sense. There's like, they come to Jamaica to find men, and I mean, a lot of time the men them in Jamaica just want to reach to America. Once they come to America, it's not gonna work.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. But so these women they need to. There's a lot of good men here in America, but they have done so many things. They show up for the men them. They do all kind of stuff, and now they reach to a state that nobody don't want them. So that's why they head into towards Jamaica now and all these Caribbean. Trying to find, men. And what these guys don't realize, man, if they come to America, man, I remember one time I was listening to one of your shows, and one guy was saying that when you come here, the women, them treat you certain kind of ways, like, them take you like some little boys, so these guys don't understand, when you come to America, brother, a woman rule in America.
So, she done with Jamaican man because she bring him up there and he run again. That is why I always say they always two sides to a story with the woman say, oh, I don't want a Jamaican man because they might run off. Then the one of my friends, so, where your friend do that do the man. Two sides to a story. You understand?
Right.
They always come out and say Jamaican man this, Jamaican man that. But yet still, sometimes when you're nagging on a problem and the man not go like that and him not know what to do, so he just run off.
Exactly.
And anyway, a man see comfort and better and somebody when can reason with, that's where he's going to head to. Can feel comfortable speaking to that person.
Right. Let me tell you something, when you want them bring the man them come, my brother, when the people them bring the people from Jamaica or wherever come here, they treat them bad. You hear me tell you? They treat them bad. And they, as I said, whatever they say goes. And if you don't do it, we see several stories where men come here from Jamaica, women, take them in America when they come here. Some of them then turn them out all in the cold. One guy said it's a good thing. It's a good thing he meet this barber. This guy went to the barber shop and he met the guy, and the woman turned him out into the cold. This was in Boston, and the guy said he never know anybody, and he went back to the barber shop and was talking to the guy, and the guy was the one that helped him. So it's not like these guys in Jamaica. Them things say when they come to America, it's a better rose or them things. Let me tell you something. If they know what I know, they stay where they are. Let me tell you. Because it's not what they think it is here in America. People treat people bad when they come here. And the first thing they're going to look at and say, I brought you here, and so you have to just subject to what I said, and if you don't...
I have a story for premiere and here with one man, one lady bring him up, but him say he wanted he divorce a take time come through. As he come through, so he say I come for my show. He say life is a living hell. But he say I not publish it yet until he get in divorce. I have the recording me have the recording and everything. I have the story already.
Right.
I just wait for him to give me go ahead. He go through hell, man.
Trust me, man, I've seen a lot. I've been in America.
The man have all recording when he record the woman. I talk to him and send it to me. So I don't lie, I tell.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't lie, I tell. Trust me. As I said, I've been in America for 30-something years, man, and the amount of things I've seen, brother, Me tell myself all the time, say, I would never, let me tell you, come to Jamaica, marry no woman and bring them to America. I would never do it. No.
Okay.
Because them things not work, brother. Them not work out.
And I always the woman me hear man I talk about, say woman this. Me never hear of no man bring up no woman and they mistreat her. I always, when they bring them up a woman, they run and left them. And then vice versa, at the woman them when they get him on them, then try to control them and rule them, and if not, then put them out. And always remind them, and me bring you here. So, yeah, always so me get the story.
So, and them the kind of story there, may I tell you. And then now if a man even do bring a woman come here, once the woman them come and them see all the different man them and the man them drive the big Benz and the big, you know, whatever. And if you not set away, brother, if you deal with them whenever they gone and left you too. So them things don't work, man. As I said, there's a lot of good men here, there's a lot of good women here, but for some reason the people here, they ain't such a hype. They some of them, especially when they're in a good job, them show up, them just do whatever they want. It's like no man don't want them, especially the woman them, brother. The man don't, because women are very, so when I want America, I'm in a good job there, man. They're very independent. And let me tell you, you as a man can't talk to them, man. And then now when they reach a stage in life now where everybody realize they get miserable, so they can't find nobody. Nobody don't want to stay with them now. Then that's when you stay ahead to Jamaica and then do all these Caribbean islands, try to find a man to bring here.
So, no follow no man will tell yourself, say, you don't want a foreign man. You don't think, say, you don't just get a foreign man and go a foreign, cock up on the foot, and you don't have to walk. Hey, you know, I would like if I want to get some experience. You know, them women they work. Sorry guys, sorry about the yarning. You know, them women they work over there, 2-3 job for bills to pay. I just want a woman overseas. There's no love in Jamaica. Look how much woman a daytime I drive past, working woman, all type of woman, and none of them no good. To have to be a woman overseas. Thank you guys for the local vlog here. Big up on yourself. So no. To God be the glory, great things he has done. I'm out.